Hi, welcome to my channel Ride with Patrick. I'm your host Patrick. I am a highly trained and specialized on professional seasonal rider here in Norway. And today we're gonna talk about all the changes that we made on the roadster. But before, don't forget to subscribe on the channel. You have plenty of time during the intro, so hit that skull or the subscribe button. See you after the intro. Welcome back. So today we have a patient, a young 2016 roadster that has got a symbiote Venom. So we're gonna call that patient Eddie. And I thought of calling my bike Venom. I will give you the why at the end of the video. So if you wanna go right at the end of the video, you can do it. But I would suggest you to wait so that you can see all the different changes that have been made on the Venom. So the first thing was, what does the symbiote do to Eddie? Well, it makes him bigger, stronger, faster. So what makes Harley Davidson bigger? Yes, the customers. And the thing is, I don't have my own Project Rushmore. If you don't know what Project Rushmore is, it started in 2014, and they asked the rider to find out what they could do better. And infotainment came as well at the same time. So they asked the rider, and they made the modification required. So I don't have that possibility, but I have YouTube. So what I did, I went to see all the videos, and then when I say all, I saw all the videos about the 2016 Roadster to make the changes that the people complained a little bit about. So as we have 3 different modifications, we're gonna go with 3 different changes for each modification. So the first one is, the people complained about the peg, because on the Roadster the peg are placed right in the middle where you have the 2 screws here, and on this one I placed them forward to make it the power cruiser. Most of the people put the pegs back to make a cafe racer, but I mean, I'm using the bike to commute, so I need to sit properly on it. That's the first thing. The other thing was the handlebar. Most of the people say that the handlebar was too low and they miss the feeling in the hands, so I raised the bar, so to speak, and I have a higher sitting position with this one. Number 3 problem, they say that the bike vibrates a lot. It's my second Sportster, and there is one thing that I know for sure you can do if you have a Sportster and you feel that it vibrates. It's to start with doing a stage 1. The stage 1 makes the engine breathe better, and the bike will be actually vibrating less. Number two, stronger. What makes the bike stronger? And I mean, we take Harley Davidson. For my part, I think what makes Harley Davidson stronger are the designer. I'm talking about dark custom. That's why I have murdered the bike to make it black and with a little bit of dark custom, and I gave it as well a line with that front fairing, which is Burly brand, and front spoiler down there. I also put mini Sissi bar. The mini Sissi bar comes from Harley as well. So that's the 3 changes. And well, number 3, what makes Harley Davidson faster? The only thing that comes in my mind are CVO. And the CVO, by the way, happy birthday. They started in 1999. We are in 2019, so 20 years ago started the first CVO collection. What they usually do when they do a CVO, they take a model, everything but a Sportster. So I had to find out how would I plan to do a CVO with a Sportster. So the first step was, what you know when you see a CVO is the color. Well, I know the bike is black, but let me explain a little bit. I mean, the color of a CVO is quite protected, so you need a CVO to be able to paint it, or you need a frame number. But on the 2-tone CVO, one of the color is usually denim black, which is easy to find. That's why the bike is black. Number 2 is definitely the Screaming Eagle parts. So as I said, it has a stage 1 on it. So the only thing which is not Screaming Eagle is exhaust. The exhaust. Well, the last part is the grip, and that's why I put the Defiance collection. I think it was used on the 2018 and 19 CVOs. With the grip, I wanted to have everything black on the top, and a little bit. If you see the grips here, they have a little bit of. They are not all black. They have a little bit of chrome. So if you see the grips here, they have a little bit of chrome. So that's why that's all the three things I made. Three difference I made on the Venom. And now the fourth one is the sound, and that's why I call it the Venom. Now we have Eddie, and now we have the Venom. So now you know why I call it the Venom. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Please post some comments. Well, welcome back. So what do we have today? Welcome back. No, I'm gonna take it that way. Fuck.